In the world of smartwatches, two of the most popular and highly anticipated devices are now the Google Pixel Watch and the Apple Watch Series 8. Both companies have made significant strides in wearable technology and have developed loyal followings among tech enthusiasts. While it's unlikely that you'll be comparing the Pixel Watch and the Apple Watch for purchasing decision, it's still worthwhile to evaluate the respective features. It's possible that one watch may possess desirable features that are absent in the other. In this video, we'll explore the key differences between the Google Pixel Watch and the Apple Watch Series 8, helping you to make an informed decision on which one to choose.
Looking for an animation studio that can turn your story or idea into animated visuals? Look no further than 10 Studio. Our team of experts creates animated explainer videos that simplify complex ideas and bring your message to life. Our experience can help you tell your story in a way that engages your target audience and makes them remember it. Don't miss out on this opportunity to stand out from your competition. Visit our website to know more at www.10.studio.
Comparing both the watches designed side by side, the Pixel Watch appears to be more visually appealing. Its minimalist and polished appearance, resembling a smooth pebble, exudes a sense of refinement and sophistication. In contrast, the Apple Watch Series 8 still retains the familiar curved rectangle design that has been in use since 2015. While it is by no means unattractive, it falls short when compared to the sleek and elegant design of the Pixel Watch. Clearly, in terms of aesthetics, Google has managed to outdo Apple. Furthermore, the Pixel Watch appears to have taken inspiration from the Apple Watch's design, particularly in the utilization of a digital crown and a single side button with comparable navigation features. The primary contrast between the two watches lies in the positioning of the button. While the Apple Watch's button is located below the crown, the Pixel Watch's button is situated above it. In terms of display, the screens of the Apple Watch are significantly larger compared to the Pixel Watch, despite both watches utilizing OLED panels and being capable of achieving higher levels of brightness. However, the size of the screen ultimately determines the amount of content that can be displayed. The screen on the 45mm model measures 1.9 inches, while the 41mm model's display is 1.7 inches, both of which are much larger than the Pixel Watch's 1.2-inch screen. In addition, both watches are 5 Atm Water Resistant, which means they can survive after being submerged in water 50 meters deep for 30 minutes. On paper, the Apple Watch is a superior fitness tracker compared to the Pixel Watch. Both the Apple Watch and Pixel Watch are equipped with standard health tracking features such as heart rate monitoring, blood oxygen monitoring, electrical and ECG capabilities, as well as ovulation tracking. The Apple Watch also boasts a skin temperature sensor and superior sleep tracking abilities, including the ability to track temperature changes throughout the night. Additionally, the Apple Watch offers a seamless experience for recording workout and fitness data through its apps. The Pixel Watch is a close competitor, lacking only a temperature sensor. However, what sets the Pixel Watch apart is its strong integration with Fitbit, a highly popular fitness tracking platform with a devoted following in the tech world. The Pixel Watch comes with a specialized Fitbit app that has been integrated with Google, and it works seamlessly with the standard Fitbit app for Android. The app provides a wide range of workouts and tracking tools that cater to different fitness needs. Additionally, users can enjoy a 6-month free subscription to Fitbit Premium, which includes mindfulness tips, a detailed breakdown of the stress management score, and other helpful features. On a full charge, Google claims the Pixel Watch can last for up to 24 hours while the always-on display and some other features turned off, whereas the Apple Watch Series 8 can deliver up to 18 hours. Regarding the price tag, the Google Pixel Watch is available at $350. On the other hand, you have to pay $399 for Apple Watch Series 8. As you can see, Series 8 is a bit expensive compared to the Pixel Watch, and that's why it has so much to offer. In short, while the Pixel Watch may not be the most powerful smartwatch available and it may not have the same battery life as the Apple Watch Series 8, it still holds up quite well in direct comparison. Its performance is impressive and it provides a glimpse into the promising future of Wear OS. Though some users may find the Pixel Watch to be a satisfying choice, those who prioritize reliability, longevity, and power may still find the Apple Watch Series 8 to be the superior overall option. That's all for today, and as always, thanks for watching the video. Like, comment, and share it with your friends if you find this video to be helpful, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you want more videos like this on your feed.